Alright guys, so it's a new week coming up, so I want to have a new video for you. So basically what I have set up here is basically what will be inside of one wall. Uh, right here you have your microcontroller. It has the pulse sensors attached to it. Showed you that, right? Um, and then we have another wire, and this guy is connected to the sensor that's basically going to detect if there's a hand there. So I only have one wired up right now, but you see that I have the wires pretty long for each sensor. I have one servo and then another servo very far from each other, and then I have my power supply where everything is connected, and also have the tape that Regina purchased. So with no further ado, I'll switch this on. Alright, so you have a pretty nice light. It's cool, right? And this isn't going to be the final operation. I have to code something completely different. Obviously, this is just for demonstration purposes, but basically, you see that. So basically, this will, in the final code, once they put 4 hands over it into all of these sensor that I have along this wire, once all 4 hands are covering one of these sensors, then the door will open. Alright, so basically there you go. That's most of your electronics in one. Like I said, this is going to have to be 2 Arduinos at the end, one for the voice command and one for the pulse / hand sensor. Yeah, actually, right now I have the servos attached to this guy, but in the final, he'll be attached to the extra microcontroller, along with the lights and probably anything that hooks into this power supply. So yeah, I mean, I guess that's basically it. Yeah, and we have a power switch, so if ever need be, flip the switch. The microcontroller is still sending the commands, but the Lightstrip and the servos run off of this power supply, which I jacked from a computer, and basically I won't charge you guys for this one, but you may have to purchase a power supply in the future for other parts of the project. So there you go. That's pretty much it. Thank you.